Welcome to this short video on the grading tools, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D 2026. We made a lot of improvements to our grading, and so in this video I'm going to be going through some of these new features. So to get started, we're going to come up here to our Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D ribbon. We're going to come over here to Surfaces and Grading panel, and we're going to select Create Grading. I'm going to select a polyline. This could be a feature line also. I'm going to press Enter to go all the way around. Automatically it's done something, and because we use templates, and so right now you can see here I got a blank one. If I wanted to come in here and say let's go to the pond, I go okay. You can see how it's graded the pond. Let's go in here to pond 2. This little message is telling us that it doesn't know what surface it wants to grade to, because when I built the template I saved it grading to a different surface, but it's found the next available one. So that's what would happen here. Now I'm going to change it, and I'm going to go back to this blank. I want to start from scratch. So I'm going to say this is my high water line right here. So what I want to do is from that high water line, I'm going to change this. Instead of doing an offset and slope, I'm going to go slope and a relative elevation. And I'm going to go to the right hand side. So I'm going to the right side here. And my slope here, I'm going to say is a 3:1 slope. And my relative elevation, say a -10. Okay. And there you can see what it's done. Now from that point, I want to go up to the top of the berm. So I'll add another component in here. And I'm going to switch this out here, and we're going to select this one. We're going to go same thing, slope and a relative elevation. And this time I'm going to go to the left side of the line. And we're going to start, in this situation, we're going to grade from the very first baseline, okay? And so it's going to go to the left-hand side. I'm going to go, the slope is also 3:1, and this one I'm only going to say let's just go up 3 feet. Okay, so now you can see that. We're going to add another one component in here, and this one's going to be a offset and slope. This is going to be the top of the berm now. It's still going to go to the left-hand side. My slope, I'm going to set that to a percentage. And the offset is going to be, say, 5 foot, and the percent here is I'm going to go 0. Okay, so there it's gone out. And then lastly, I'm going to add in another one, and this time I'm going to go slope to surface, and I'm going to go to same thing. We're going to go to the left hand side. We're going to grade outwards, and I'm going to say let's just do a 3:1 and a 2:1. Okay, and then lastly, what surface am I going to grade to? So I've only got the 1 in there, so it's going to grade to that surface, and I'm going to say both cut and fill. All right, so basically I'm done, but I want to create the surface now from this automatically. So we're going to go ahead and add another component here, and I'm going to change this, and I'm going to go surface from grading lines. Okay, so surface from grading lines, I'm going to call this one pond, and I'm going to use all the lines as break lines. Okay, outer one here, slope outer is slope to relative elevation. I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to go slope to surface is going to be my outer boundary outside here, and then I'm going to come on down, and we're going to say our style here is contours 1 and 5 design. Sounds good? When I'm done with this, I can turn around and save this. I'm going to call this one Pond 3. I want to use it again and again. So we're going to go OK. And we've got some other features in here. We're just going to go OK here. And it's going to go through and calculate it. And there it's built the surface. And as you can see in here on the right-hand side, it's built it. It's automatically did the infill. But I could have done a hide boundary so it didn't contour in there. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to copy this grading over here to this. So I'm going to say copy grading. I'm going to select this object here. It says where do you want to copy it? I'm going to copy it here. And there you can see how it's graded that already. And I can just press enter. And there it's actually copied that grading. And as you can see here in 3D, it's actually created that pond also. This concludes this short video on the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D, the new grading features in 2026.